Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Venom versus Carnage, but kind of in their liquidy forms, kind of fighting. So they're going to be kind of tied up. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. I think this one should be pretty easy just because there's not a lot of anatomy or anything. It's a lot of just liquid. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curve a line on this side to find Venom, the top of Venom's face. And I'm going to throw the lip over here of Venom. Down here underneath for the lower jaw, lower lip, I mean. I'm going to actually do the same thing on this side over here, where I'm going to find the top part of Carnage's face. I'm going to find some teeth there. The reason I'm doing that is because Carnage doesn't have teeth. I'm sorry, he doesn't have lips. Sorry, Carnage doesn't really have lips. Venom does. I'm going to go down here now, and I'm going to start drawing Venom's teeth. Right there. All it is these little triangular shapes sticking down. Curved line here. I'm going to go on this side. I'm going to find the bottom of the eye and the top of the eye right here. I'm going to wiggle it around on the way down. Curve over here for the back of the head. Right on. Going to find over here Carnage's eye. It's going to be kind of wiggly all over, and the front is going to be kind of touching the front of the face. And I'm going to find the back of his head. Let's pull down underneath here for the bottom row of teeth. All right. Back of Venom's jaw over here. I'm going to pull a line down, in. Go over the back of this, Carnage's jaw, back, down, in. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a curve over here for the shoulder, curve over here for the shoulder. And now we're going to kind of draw them kind of wrapped around each other. So I'm going to pull out over here. He's going to be wrapped around Venom. And I'm gonna also kind of draw down over here, kind of start with his back a little bit, pull down with Carnage's back, and then I'm gonna pull over here where they're gonna be tied up like SpaghettiOs. So I'm gonna pull that line over here, line over here. Line over here. Same thing. So as we're drawing down here, we're pulling another kind of hook shape around the corner here, pulling back, and then having the rest of Venom slide under here. Same thing over here. And again, these are their liquidy forms, right? So we're going to have another form here. Underneath. Underneath here. Underneath here. So we're gonna have Venom as well, kind of over here in his liquidy form. Kind of wrap around him. It's almost like they're hugging, but they're not. They're fighting. They're not hugging. Line over here for the back side of his mouth. Line over here for the tongue. Over here as well. Line over here. Same thing over here. Now we're gonna draw Venom Side first, and we're gonna pull down, and every now and then I'm gonna throw a bump over here, but he's gonna look kind of like a ghost or something, right? Because it's in his symbiote form. And then same thing goes for Carnage. Carnage over here is gonna be also in his symbiote form. Maybe like he's got like the two legs over there sticking down. But we're going to draw a curved line around this body right here. Another curve. Like we have parts of Venom trying to get him. Right? Kind of all the way down. Because I know when they're fighting in the movie, they're like, this is Goop, right? It's like Goop versus Goop. So you can kind of keep it going too if you want. So I'm just kind of drawing Goop like around other Goop, and it's kind of like a big, the big part of this. You can draw his maybe Venom's other arm over here. Again, this is just the symbiotes kind of fighting. And you can kind of just keep, honestly, it's almost never ending. You can keep drawing because these things are liquid. There's always going to be like a weird like texture or something like that, or goop coming on the corner. Maybe draw like little bits of goop coming off of here, right? Like a little, you know, that'd be funny. And if you want, you can throw kind of a color differentiation in there as well. But that's the Venom symbiote versus the Carnage symbiote. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna throw a little bit. We're gonna dash of color in there. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.